This video, we're going to talk about some problems from 14.1, and we are going to find the value of a rational expression given a replacement number. So let's go ahead and look at this first one, which is going to be like 14.1 number 3. Then we're going to look at 14.1 number 5. And that'll be it for this video. So we're going to start off with 3z minus 2 over z minus 7, and we want to evaluate or find the value of that when z equals negative 12. So we're going to plug in negative 12 in the place of z. Multiplication before addition and subtraction, and we have to simplify the numerator and denominator separately before we divide. So this is going to be a negative 36 minus 2 over a negative 19 is a negative 38 divided by a negative 19, and negative divided by a negative is a positive. 19 goes into 38 2 times. Head on down here and look at our next problem. This one is y to the third over y squared minus 1. You want to let y equal to negative 2. Let's evaluate this. So we need to put the negative 2 in parentheses here to the third power, and the negative 2 in parentheses here to the second power. And a negative 2 times a negative 2 times a negative 2 is a negative 8. And negative 2 times a negative 2 is a positive 4. Oops. And that is a negative 8 over 3 as my final answer there. So that's it. And we will come back next time and talk about finding where a rational expression is undefined. That's a very important topic in this chapter and for this course, is to know where rational expressions are undefined. So we'll see you for the next video.